Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video. Hey, top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. I'm feeling refreshed right now. Oh my goodness, man. I don't even know how this happened yesterday. I was out doing a video on my second channel. If you guys haven't seen my second channel, make sure you check out that channel. I was doing a video with AMP downtown, and I got a notification that Nike was doing these reserve pickups for the Nike Dunk High. Now, I don't even have to explain to y'all how I feel about these reservations. If you have not seen my sneakerhead problems video when I did about the Nike sneakers app, this was one of those sneakerhead problems that I really hate. I've never, bro, and I do mean I've never been able to actually reserve a pair from any Nike sneakers ever. Y'all know those shoes that drop when you gotta be in like a certain location radius in order to get, and as soon as you click it, it says fully booked in a matter of like 0 seconds. Anyway, yesterday, man, I'm at the Airbnb, we doing videos, and I get a notification, and I think, why not just try to go for it? And I actually hit for a pair, bro. I don't know how still. But anyways, guys, before we get into the video, I do want to say that only 30% of you guys are subscribed to the channel, which is crazy to me because we dropping consistent bangers over here. So if you have not already subscribed, I need you to go smash that subscribe button. Also, guys, let's smash up this like button, man. Let's run it up. I gotta go pick up these shoes at Lenox Mall, and to be completely honest, I'm not really as excited for these Nike Dunk Highs. As you guys can see, I already have the orange Nike Dunk Lows, and the shoes that I hit for is the orange Blaze Nike Dunk High. So I'm probably gonna be trying to like sell these for a dunk that I don't have, or like trade them out for a dunk that I don't have, because I don't need the low pair and the high pair. To be honest, I'm not even the biggest fan of Nike Dunk Highs. All of the Nike Dunks that I wear are low. The only Nike Dunk High that I own is this pair right here, and I had this pair on when I won a Nike Dunk High Orange Blaze, so maybe it was that, you know what I'm saying? There's no telling. In today's vlog, I will be throwing these on, man. I feel like in order to celebrate this W, I gotta pull up with a pair of dunks. And I would've worn the Dunk Highs, but it's just like, I don't want to. I wore them yesterday. So I'm gonna bring these out. I don't even really get too many wears in, so this was on feet for the day. Let's go pick up these dunks, man. Let's get it. Okay, so we are currently outside of the world's biggest flex mall. Now I know y'all probably wondering, Snipe, what is a flex mall? Lenox Mall is a flex mall, okay? Lenox Mall is where everybody goes and they just flex, bruh. Ask anybody from Atlanta, bruh. This is the most overrated mall. Now, this mall hasn't done anything to me personally, so I'm not bashing it. I'm just saying what it is. Anybody lives in Atlanta, comment down below right now. Let me know if I'm capped. Hey, they got me a W on a dunk, so I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I ain't mad at it. But they really don't let people vlog in here at all. To the point where like, police have escorted YouTubers out of this very mall before, and they don't have like mall cops in Lenox, bro. They got like actual cops, you know what I'm saying? Like bad boys, what you gonna do? Like they got actually like real cops in here. So I'm not sure how this gonna go, but you know, we're gonna play the game how the game go, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm guessing, bruh, I gotta wait in this line to get my dub. Now, not only do I have to wait in this line to get my dub, I didn't even know this many people could even win on this damn app. Look at this line, bro. Look at this line. Hey man, y'all already know the vibe. Sneakers are in hand. But I do want to make a small correction. That was not the line that everybody was in for a sneaker pass. That was the line everybody was in just to get in the Nike store. I told myself, I know ain't no way in heck everybody want those shoes. Due to the pandemic, you had to wait in line just to get inside the store. So that's why the line was so long. It was a mixture of people who hit on sneaker passes, and it was a mixture of people who just wanted to go in and like just shop for whatever Nike apparel or Nike shoes they wanted. But regardless, now it's off to the barbershop. and I'm gonna close it out back at the crib talking about these new pickups, man. All right, so we are finally back at the crib, man. Today was crazy. I know y'all seen in the vlog. I did not get to show when it was raining, but it started pouring down raining. On top of that, bro, if you are going through crazy times right now with these gas prices, please comment down below because they want an arm, a leg, a thigh, a finger. Gas is getting out of hand. It is a gas shortage, I'm hearing, so make sure y'all be filling up y'all tanks because, bro, I ain't gonna cap your boy Snipe. I went to like 5 gas stations and they were all out of gas, so it's just a lot of inconvenience. But yet, still, we got the W in the building today, man. We got our sneaker, the shoe that we set out to get today, in this amazing, let me turn this back around, in this amazing dunk box. It is the Nike Dunk High Orange Blaze, and I'm very, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not very excited to have this shoe. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not excited. I'm not excited, man. Y'all know I love dunks. Y'all know I love the Nike Dunk, okay? But as I said earlier, I already have the high. I mean, I already have the low, so I don't necessarily need the high. So this is a men's size 12. My idea when I picked this up was to either sell it or just trade it for a dunk that I don't already have. I always thought that, you know, the hard part is getting the shoe. Once you get the shoe, being able to move it or sell it, that's the easy part. So potentially, if anybody out there has, you know, dunks in your collection and you want this pair, if you want to trade out for a pair, I can do 11, 12, actually no, 11 and a half, 12. If you guys have a few pair of dunks in your collection that's DS and you want these, if you want to hit me up and give me some offers, my Instagram will be linked down below. I do not think these will be staying the long run, unfortunately, even though these are pretty cool. The material is actually very, very similar to like the low. It's the exact same shoe. That's literally the only reason I won't be keeping these. Not because I don't like them, but it is literally the exact same shoe. Outer sole, upper, midsole, toe box. Just one high top, one low top. I don't really need it, you know what I'm saying? And I told myself, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna start doing a lot more of these sneaker passes, bro, because I never feel like I got a chance to get a W. So it's been a few sneaker passes came up, I didn't even try for it, bro, and I feel stupid now because I probably could have actually won. I never get in, it always say fully booked. This is my first time ever getting in, so it kind of gave me a little bit of hope, you know what I'm saying? Kind of gave me, you know, a new breath of life saying, you know, maybe I got a chance. And I know I probably ain't gonna hit for a lot, but at least, as long as I know I got a chance, I'm down, bro. At the end of the day, that's all I just want to know I got a fair shot. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the video and if you enjoyed the sneaker. Last but not least, tell me if you actually hit on a pair of these because I know my boy Unbreakable hit me up, said he hit on the same pair. So until next time, it's your boy Sniper Jones. I will catch up with y'all. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really put in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.